What is going on, YouTube? It is your man Mike. I am back again with another edition of Mike's Tech Talk. Thank you for joining me today. I'm glad you're here. What I got going on is just a real quick video. Just wanted to show you guys my case lineup that I've been using for my iPhone XR for the last couple of weeks. Now I have been rotating these cases out, but I do have a personal favorite. I'll use that one at the end, but just wanted to show you guys real quick what I got for my phone. Now, want to say first and foremost, Amazon is your best friend when it comes to anything for your phone. I got all three of these cases for $35 all together, and they were all shipped the same day. So the first one I got is a case from Spigen. Now this is the Spigen UltraHybrid. Now it has a clear back, rubber side, and this is going to be one of those phones if you want to show off that beautiful red that I got, that beautiful product red, and you want to just let the world know what you got going on. So we'll pop that in there, and that's what it's going to look like on the phone. Now, I really like how the red accents the black and how the camera cutout looks pretty smooth. So this is definitely a really nice look. Love this case. Been using this one for a while now. So, and these are good heavy duty cases as well. So they're going to definitely protect your phone. So we'll pop that one off. Next one I got is a Trianum. I'm not sure if it's Trianum or Trianium, but this is just a clear case, 100% clear case. Now, they promise you no yellowing on the case over time. We'll see how that works out, but we'll pop that one in the phone as well. This one goes on a little bit easier, and that's what it's going to look like on the phone. Now, I do kind of like this one. I like being able to see the red aluminum on the side, and I do enjoy just the look of it over the black and red combination, but you know, to each their own. This is definitely a good look. But me personally, as crazy as it sounds, it's gonna hide the color of the phone, but this one is actually my favorite. Now this is the Spigen Thin Fit. Now the reason why this is my favorite because you can apply a metal plate right here to use as a magnet in your car or on a dash, anywhere that you use a metal magnet to hold your phone. So you pop the phone in, and this is one of the tightest fitting cases I have ever used on the phone. So get all your access to your buttons on the side. You get your bottom and your top are all completely exposed. You get your power button on the side. Camera cutout has a decent amount of protection. You can see there's a little bit of a lip over it, but for the most part, this is a very thin case, like it states, very thin case. Now, the screen protector that I'm using is, well, going to be using, that just came in recently, is the Max Boost. I use these screen protectors with a lot of my devices except for the Note 9. I use the white stone dome, but that's because of the curved infinity display. But just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of some of the cases that I currently use. I will be getting more cases and I will be doing more videos, so make sure you stay tuned for those. Also, stay tuned for the real review. Sorry, not the real review. I don't want to bite anybody. I will say stay tuned for my review of the iPhone XR. That will be coming soon, so be looking for that. And if you want to know when that comes, you need to make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next video and you know when I post a review of this device, because this has been the sleeper phone of October in my opinion. This has been probably the best iPhone I've used in a long time. I wish I got this before I got my XS Max, but that's a video for another day. This has been your man Mike. Once again, thanks for watching. Peace.